Hey, this is Jason here again with Classic Touch Floor Care, and just letting you know that to take care of a pet accident in Northbrook, and this process is a pretty simple process. We treat the pet stain, we disinfect the pet stain, and then we use multiple different spotting solutions to remove all of the colors that can become embedded in your carpet. My number one recommendation is that if you do have a pet accident, try to clean it out with just water and soak it up as best you can. If you have a neutral carpet cleaner or an enzymatic carpet cleaner, those can be helpful, but stay away from the resolves. Anything that promises that it will get rid of the pet stain automatically can be actually worse on your carpet and leave residues in your carpet that can then permanently stain it. So be very careful with that process. I can come along and I can clean it out and make sure that there's no residue left and that it's completely disinfected. And I can actually use our machines, like my extraction machine back here, the hot water steam cleaner, that will make sure that all of that pet stuff gets out of your carpet. The over-the-counter ones that you buy in stores, the little hoovers, those are a fraction of the vacuum power that you can get with a commercial machine. So just recommend that you get it done right the first time, because if those stains get set in there permanently, they can be there forever, and you don't want that. So anyway, I'll show some videos of us taking out the stain, and enjoy. All right, so we're at the job I was telling you about, taking care of a big pet stain problem here. And one of the things you notice, you see all this blue in here. The homeowner put some Blue Dawn on it to try and clean it out. And I already tried to clean out 2 other spots and got them out pretty successfully that were down in the hallway. But I will say this Blue Dawn leaves a blue tint that takes a really, really long time to get out. So don't put Blue Dawn on it. It's just got such a high pH and it's so sudsy. Any soap that has that much of a detergent to it is going to just exacerbate the problem, in the sense that it's going to create so many suds. It's going to take a really long time to get out. And if you don't get that soap out, then dirt is going to be attracted to that soap, and then instead of the stain coming back, you would have dark dirt spots wherever that soap is. So make sure you at least check with a carpet cleaner and have it professionally done so that it can be removed completely. So I'm going to attack this with our pet solution, but the first thing I'm going to do is just get as much of this blue stuff out and as much of the residue of the pet accident out first. All right, so we're going to spray pet solution, which is going to neutralize and disinfect the pet stain. Just going to work at this a little bit at a time here. You can see here I just sprayed this before and it's already working really well. And then slightly scrubbing it in here. Pet stain is gone up through where we sprayed, and now all that remains is to extract the soap and the residue. So right now you can see we're getting it up. It's looking a lot better. Still just a little bit of stain in there to work on, but now what I'm dealing with from that dawn is the suds, and this is just going to take a while to get out, and is something that just wish it didn't have to go to this extent, but we're going to get it out. It's just going to take a little bit longer. All right, so we wrapped up this job. Took a while, but we did get the stain out, and this is real happy with how this turned out here. You can see all the blue from the Dawn dish soap that was dumped has come up, and all the stain has come out. So it looks fantastic. Really excited with the finished result here, and that's what you can expect with Classic Touch Floor Care.